Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Steam overlay not working. So the first step, what you need to do here is to completely close Steam and run Steam as a administrator. So go to properties on your shortcut and then go to compatibility and make sure to run this program as administrator, right? And if it's not working, then what you need to do here is to open up Steam and on the top left you should see Steam logo here. Go to settings and then you will get this pop-up menu here. Then go to in-game and make sure that enable the Steam overlay while in-game is enabled. And also you need to make sure that you know what to press when you're basically trying to access overlay. So for me, Shift Tab, and also make sure that other third-party overlays like Discord or OBS also do not use the same basically shortcut or hotkeys, right? And once your overlay here is basically enabled, and this one you know the hotkey, then you need to go to the game that you want to run the overlay. For example, for me, Apex Legends. Then right click on the game, go to properties, and make sure when you under the general, make sure that enable Steam game Steam overlay while in game is enabled in game as well here. And then you need to just look if it's working for you or not. And if it's not working, then the simple solution is for you to basically verify integrity of the game files. Maybe you have some corrupted files that need to be fixed, so go ahead and do so. It will take a couple of minutes, and after that you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here is simply reinstall and install Steam again. To do so, you just need to go to installed apps here, and then you need to go to Steam here and press install here. And after you do so, go to the browser and go to steampower.com and just install Steam here from here, right? So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.